Hey guys, welcome back to the series of ReactJS. In the previous video, we have learned about some functions in React, and in this video, we will learn about the form handling in React. So let's get started. Similar to HTML, React also allows to use the forms. In React, the form data which we have entered is handled by components. So I'll create a class that is class space myForm extends react.component, and I'll open the braces. So I need a constructor that is constructor of props, and I'll open the braces again. And if we have the constructor, we need a super statement that is super of props, and now the state object that is this dot state is equal to, and in the braces. So here I'll have the full name of the user, and now I'll have a render function that is render of, and I'll open the braces, and in this render function I need a return statement. So return of, so here I'll create a form. So form, and I'll close this form. So the h1 tag, let's say hello space, and in the braces this dot state dot full name. So here I have created a simple greet message, and the user should enter his name. So for entering his name, I'll have an input type is equal to text, that is a text field. So now, how will we get this into the state object? So in the input type, I'll write a onChange event. So that is onChange is equal to this dot myHandler. So we need a function with name myHandler. So I'll create it, that is myHandler is equal to brackets. So as we have discussed before, if we have any arguments, they should be placed in these brackets, right? So event is my argument, and is equal to greater than, and I'll have the braces. Here I'll set the state. So this dot set state of, I'll set the full name, that is braces of full name colon event dot target dot value. So we have only one input type, right? So we have directly got the value and sending it into the state object. So, and now I need a render function that is react dot render of less than myForm slash greater than comma document dot get element by id of root. So save this file and see the output. Here I have a text field, and as soon as I enter the name, here it is getting updated above in the heading. Since we have given the event as onChange, that is for every change in the value, the function will be called. And here, since we have only one input field, we directly got the value. And now, what if we have more input fields? We need to have the name attribute to differentiate them. So I'll clear everything, and I'll say class space myForm space extends space react.component, and I'll start the constructor of props, and I'll open the braces, and I need a super statement that is super of props, and the state object that is this dot state is equal to, the two input fields will be the full name and age. So I'll open the braces, I'll say full name colon empty comma age colon null, because it is a number type, right? And now the render function that is render of, and in the render function we need a return statement. So return of, and in this I need a form that is form of. So here I need a heading tag that is h1 hello braces of this dot state dot full name, this gives my name comma your age is, in the braces this dot state dot age. This is a greet message with also age in it, and we need the input fields, right? So but before that I'll keep the labels for them. So I'll say p which is the paragraph type, and name colon. So now I need the input field, that is input type is equal to text, and we need a name attribute, right? That is name is equal to full name. So similarly for the age, that is p space age colon, and the input type, that is equal to text, name is equal to age. And now the on change event handlers. So we need to have this function in every input tag, that is on change is equal to braces of this dot my handler. So same here also in the other input tag. And yes, now we need to have this my handler function, that is my handler is equal to in the brackets event and equal to greater than, and I'll open the braces. So now we need the name of the tag and the value of the tag. So const tname, that means the tag name, is equal to event.target.name. And similarly for the tag value, that will be event.target.value. And we need to set them to the state, that is this dot set state of, I'll open the braces, and in the square braces I'll say tname colon t value. We mention the tname in square braces because we have multiple inputs. So save this file and see the output. So I'll give my name, so it's getting changed, and as well as the age, so this is also getting changed. And yes, everything is working good. Even if you have another input field, you will just need to add a new variable in the state object and you can use it. And you can also do the form validations using alerts or anything else. So that's it for now. Hope you guys like this video. Make sure you subscribe and hit the bell icon for instant notifications from my channel. And I'll see you in the next video.